Picture this. You walk into the office kitchen. Someone's already there, stirring their coffee. They look up, and your brain goes completely blank. Do you smile and escape? Do you say something random? What if it sounds awkward? If that moment feels familiar, this episode is for you. Today, you're going to practice exactly what to say, out loud, with me. By the end of this episode, you'll have natural, confident phrases ready for your next coffee break. And yes, we're going to repeat them together. Let's start. Morning. That coffee smells amazing. Did you just brew a fresh pot? Hey, good morning. How's your day starting? Is this the strong stuff or the decaf trap? Hey, good to see you. Surviving the inbox? I'm already on cup number 2. Don't tell anyone. I swear I just saw you 5 minutes ago. Busy morning? Finally, Friday. This coffee is basically my reward. You always have the best energy in the morning. Teach me, please. Quick break already? Same here. Oof, my morning is so busy already. How is your day going? Monday survival mode activated. Coffee first, questions later. Did you try the new caramel pods? Game changer. I'm officially declaring this hallway my favorite part of the office. The sun is actually out today. Did you notice? You're always so organized. How do you do it? I just walked past the meeting room. Sounds intense in there. How was your weekend? Get up to anything fun? I did literally nothing, and it was perfect. I finally watched that series everyone's talking about. So good. I tried the new bakery down the street. Dangerous. I had such a chill weekend. Super relaxed at home. Any weekend plans? I'm thinking zero alarms. Same. Sometimes the best plan is no plan at all. I haven't seen you in a while. Were you on holidays? Oof, I wish I would have some time off. Thinking Thailand for my next time off. These tiny chats make the whole day feel lighter, don't they? These cookies are calling my name again. Where is the fruit section? Help yourself. I brought way too many, as usual. I'm trying to be healthy, but these donuts are winning. Anyone want the last one? I'm feeling generous. I brought fruit today. Adulting level 100. This chocolate is exactly what Wednesday needs. Who's the secret baker? These muffins are unreal. I'm declaring this an official snack break. Join me? Snack solidarity. Who's grabbing one with me? Love your new mug. Where'd you get it? Your playlist earlier was fire. Good taste. That jacket looks sharp today. Feeling good? Your presentation yesterday was really clear. Well done. Thanks for the quick help earlier. Saved my morning. You always stay so calm. Teach me your secret. Teamwork makes the dream work, especially before lunch. One small compliment, and the whole break feels warmer. How's that big presentation coming along? I heard you're leading the client meeting next week. Exciting. The new project looks interesting. How's it going so far? I'm on the reporting side. Any updates I should know? We're almost at the deadline. Feeling okay about it? I'm stuck on one small part. You ever run into that? The team did great on that last sprint. High five. How's the new software treating you? I'm still figuring it out. I just finished my part, sending it over later today. Any chance you've got a template for these reports? Mine's a mess. The client loved the last version. Small win. I'm juggling three things at once. How do you prioritize? We're in the home stretch now. Almost there. Quick question. Did the feedback come back yet? I'm really enjoying this project. Feels good to be part of it. All right, back to reality. See you in a bit. This break was the best part of my morning. Thanks for the chat. Catch you later. Don't let the emails win. Have a good one. Talk soon. I'm stealing one more sip for the road. Wish me luck. Enjoy the rest of your day. You've got this. And that's our full office small talk coffee break session. You just shadowed dozens of light, friendly lines that turn awkward silences into real connections. Next time you're refilling your cup or waiting for the printer, try one. Even one sentence can make someone's day a little brighter, including yours. And remember my promise at the beginning. If you stick with this episode, repeat it a few times, and actually use one or two lines this week, that awkward freeze will start to disappear. You'll walk up to the coffee machine, say something simple, get a smile back, and suddenly the break room feels like a friendly place instead of a stress zone. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. You're doing great. If this made office breaks feel easier, please give it a like, subscribe to Real Life English Talk, and maybe leave a comment. What's your favorite quick small talk line? Or what's the best office snack right now? I read every single one. It makes my day. This is Alex signing off. Keep those coffee chats flowing. Keep smiling. Keep speaking. See you in the next episode.